Bedmas, Bedmas, Bedmas. We need to remember Bedmas. We're having some issues on the test with Bedmas. So I want to make sure that we have a good understanding of what it means. Remember, the B stands for brackets, E is exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let's do an example from the test. We had 12 take away 2n. In this situation, we have a subtraction. And remember, when we don't have a space between a number and the variable, that means multiplication. If we look at this, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we have to do the multiplication first. Knowing that I have to do the multiplication first, I am going to do it underneath the original expression. So I am going to start by writing down 12 because I'm not doing anything with it yet, subtracting because that's the second operation I'm going to do after I do the multiplying. Then I'm going to write 2 times n. Okay? You can write it, you don't have to. If you already know that space means times, you can do it that way. I always ask for the first 3 terms. So I can always make a t-chart like so. And I'm going to start with term 1. So what I do is I take the 1 and I put it where the variable is. So it's going to look like 12 take away 2 times 1. Then I go 12 take away 2. And I know that if I have something like 12 apples and I take 2 of them away, my final answer is going to be 10. So I put a 10 up here. Now I'm going to solve for the second variable. So the second term is 2, so I put the 2 where the n is. I'm going to get something that looks like 12 take away 2 times 2. And according to Bedmas, again, I have to do the multiplication first. So I'm going to write 12 take away 2 times 2, which is 4. And 12 take away 4 is 8. So my second term has a value of 8. Now we're on to the third term. So I take my third term and I put it where the variable is. I get 12 take away 2 times 3. Again, I do multiplication first. So it is 12 take away 2 times 3, which is 6, which is going to leave me with a value of 6. 12 take away 6 is 6. So I write my 6 over here, and I have my 3 values for each of the terms.